Up next, we got Cudo.
So I'm Pete Hill, I'm the Partnership Director for Cudo, and although it's a mining event and we have got a mining application, I really wanted to take it a level higher and talk about Cudo as an ecosystem, as a next generation cloud. So just to share the vision, there's billions of devices out there that are being underutilized, from smartphones right through to laptops, desktops, and that's before we start talking about your dedicated hardware in here for your mining rigs and your mining farms. And we want to be able to disrupt the global cloud marketplace. We've all come from a cloud service provider background, and it's how we better utilize that equipment. So just a quick snapshot. There's over 30 billion IoT devices out there, hundreds of millions of games consoles, 2 billion PCs and servers, and all of these are underutilized for up to 50% of the time. And like I say, that's before your mining equipment. So what we wanted to do is create an ecosystem of various different applications that's able to harness all of this computing power. And the benefit for you guys, obviously, as hardware owners, is that you're able to lease those IT assets, essentially. It's kind of like an Uber model for IT. And the benefit for consumers on the other side is they get significantly lowered cost compute resource. So here it is. Here's the ecosystem. This is what we've been working on in the background. So like I say, Cudo is the whole company as a whole. Cudo Miner is our cryptocurrency miner. That's what we're talking about and stand for today, right at the back. And that's a multi-miner that mines across all of the different algorithms and picks the most profitable coin. But it goes deeper than that, because instead of just picking the most profitable coin, it will pick the most profitable workload. And that's really important as we start to introduce other workloads like video rendering, AI, seismic imaging, anything kind of batch-based or parallel. We've also got a charity application called Cudo Donate, and that works in exactly the same way. It's exactly the same application underneath the hood, but it's just reskinned for a different audience. And that will sit on a laptop, it will sit on a desktop or company servers if they're trying to hit their social impact. And it generates cryptocurrency which can then be converted into donations, or that compute resource, exactly the same, can be used for that charity's medical research, if it was to be something like a cancer research or medical research. So we're at a mining show, so I should probably, show you Cudo Miner and what it does. This is what it looks like. This is the UI. And we've been kind of steadily building up over the last 18 months in terms of which markets, which audience we go for. We started off very small, very featureless, and we've gradually moved up until now we're at the level where we can support mining farms. We have full mining monitoring and management. We have built-in GPU overclocking and optimal settings, and everything has been built with simplicity in mind. It's one click and go, and it's fully automated. Crowdsourced data to make sure it's got the optimal settings, but at the same time, if you are an advanced miner and you want to play around, it's got the advanced controls in there for you to do so. So just as a promotional offer, anyone that creates an account and wants to give Cudo a go, I've got Kadoshi here. We've got plenty left on the stand at the end, so come and see us, and you can get our own dedicated operating system. We've also got it on Windows. It's 0% mining fees for the first month, and thereafter it's 1.5% from 1.5%. And I just want to be clear as well that we actually cover the exchange fees with that as well. So if you're mining Beam, Grin, or Ravencoin, or Monero, but you want to actually be paid out and earn in Bitcoin or Ethereum or one of the others, then we'll regularly do that, so you're earning in the coin you want to, but you're appreciating the top side of all of the coins that you're mining at the time. And we cover those exchange fees in between. And I'm very excited to make a big announcement here today, and you're the first group that we're actually making this announcement to. So hopefully you feel privileged by doing this. But we will be launching our own token very, very shortly called Kudos. It's a next generation cloud token, and that will be for buying and selling compute units on our platform. Now, the real benefit for you guys is that, one, it has a staking mechanism built in. And that is in place as a reputation system as much as it is to build further discounts for you, allowing you to knock that off against your mining fees. So there is every possibility that you can actually get your mining fees down to 0%, going forward forever, essentially, by network contribution into the Cudo ecosystem. And that's me. It's a 5-minute presentation, so I want to keep it nice and short. If you'd like to come and see us, like I say, we've got a few Kudoshis left. We're right at the back on stand 4, in the back right-hand corner. I'm Pete Hill. You can have a look at our new website, which is www.kudos.network. And we'd love to talk to you. Thank you very much.